9-3. Tumayaw. Combination for Sari. And she puts it away. That breaks the dry spell for the Lady Knights.
Oh, and ito, kapapasok lang ulit ni Ceballos. And we all know from set number 3 and set number 4, siya talaga yung naglilinis sa sahig.
Correct.
I mean, kanina medyo marumi yung part sa likod pero sa dami ng dive niya para kunin yung bola. Katulad na lang nito.
Yeah, that reception. De Guzman!
They won't be able to have that without that receive.
Exactly. How De Guzman connects.
And wow, and she's been doing that the entire game.
Pretty much. De Guzman gets the checkout. 10-4 lead. A commanding advantage for the Lady Chiefs. Gia Makilang. Oh, Ceballos dives for it. Tudlasan. Dug up by Sari. Colendra sends it across. Ceballos ang nagbigay. Binalik. Oh, Feymang Ubat scores. Domasig with some variation on her style. Look at this. Started with this save.
Sistema Tamo, naghihintay tayo pa yung nangyayari. Ito natin sa kanila chance ball
Kasi kailangan natin mag-step up.
So, don't give up. Kasi kailangan lang sumunod sa tamang ginagawa. Now, out of system.
Match point.
Good pickup. Tira-tira! Ties it up!
Exactly like what Coach Obed said. Exactly. I-set mo kay Sam, huwag mong papaluin dito kasi nandiyan dyan yung libero. Sa gitna mo dalhin kasi hindi niya makukuha. Perfect.
Nicely done by Arellano. And this forces an extension in the fifth set. Sari. Oh! Vanessa Sari with 34 points.
Wow, 34 points.
Now at match point.
Hold on. Dagdagan mo pa ng isa, Prince. 35 points na pala para kay Vanessa Sari.
35 points.
Yeah, should be a season high. And a second chance.
Or maybe a career
yeah,
high.
Second chance to take the match.
Nako, wala pang whistle.
Oh, okay. Hold on. This is gonna be a replay.
Okay, buti replay lang. Hindi hindi
puntos.
Oo, kasi kung puntos 'yun, ikaw pa yung magiging
Can Letran complete the comeback? Domasig to Sam. Good coverage. Nitura. Ceballos was there. Back set. De Guzman ties it up again.
De Guzman.
Wow! Parang ayaw nila bigyan ng chance yung susunod na maglalaro
This match won't end. Pao De Guzman scores a crucial point. Estrelier. Sari. Sari again! Vanessa Sari with 36.
Hindi na kailangan iset. Angat mo lang kahit sino na mag-angat, kahit yung kalaban na. Unang bahala pumalo.
Grabe ito. Second jump. Okay, challenge ang Arellano. 3-zip run for Letran. That's a good serve. They set up Moming, who is checked. De Guzman. Nat. Judel. Panillon. Ah, what a save by Sari. Silva sends it across. It is a chance for the Lady Chiefs. Dug up. Makilang takes it off speed. Ceballos underhand sets. Silva keeps it up. Makilang with a check. That's a swipe out for Gia Makilang.
Substitutions for
And
Arellano.
again, we've seen it. Set number 3 and set number 4. Letran is really, really capable
Yeah.
of getting back even if they're down 7.
Now serving.
Third set, 7-0 start for Arellano. Hinabol. Binura. Umabante pa. Etong Letran. Now, the Lady Knights have scored 4 straight. Hard Villaflores is denied by Makilang. Letran is back in it.
Substitutions for Arellano. Number 14.
Single coverage, no problem. Hart
Number 4.
is roofed by Gia.
Wow!
Set 5 Mania to resume action in the second round. Oh, a service ace! Unleashed by Estrelier. 6 straight points for Letran.
And this has been Arellano's problem since the beginning of the season. Whenever they get a comfortable lead, one of their tendencies is to let up.
Judel, loaded serve. Tira, tira! Still alive. Chance for Arellano. Tudlasan, covered. Sari ends the match.
Vanessa Sari.
Letran survives Arellano. What a match. Sari with 37 big ones. A season and career high for her. And more importantly, Letran pockets their 13th win of the season.
Big game for Vanessa Sari and siyempre kay Coach Oliver.
What a game for both teams. Letran avoids the reverse sweep.